Guys, finally the day has come. We're getting rid of the standard ST-1 headlights. The silver standard plain headlights are finally going in the box over there, and the lights that are already in the box are going to take their place. So that's exactly what we're doing in today's video. I have left my phone behind, so there's going to be no front-facing videos of me, unfortunately, as trying to hold this camera without a front-facing screen is an absolute nightmare. So what we're going to do first, we're going to unscrew these. As you can tell, it's just a super simple, easy job, just one little Allen key bolt on each side. We're going to take them out and we're going to deconstruct them by taking the bulbs that are already in there because they're upgraded and put them in the ones that are in there. Now, before I go and show you what's in the box, we're going to go ahead with the intro and we'll see you guys in the next clip. So, see you guys in a minute. G's in the PT, well, the intro. Right, Alan, it's a simple job.
It's a simple job.
How hard was that? All these finger blasting skills and you can't even do an Allen key.
I wasn't aware I was supposed to be taking it off.
No, you weren't.
Okay.
But you tried and you made it look like it was difficult.
No, I did, I just put it on to check the size.
And you've got one here. The joys of having a Ford or working on a Ford is just really easy to do. Look, there you go.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I left them loose on purpose. Right, they just come out like this. We'll take them into your office.
Yeah.
That's one, mate. Pass it off camera to the man himself. There we go, it's the second one off. Right, let's migrate into the office and get these deconstructed and go from there. Right, guys, we're taking the lights out. We've got the standard ones in there. As I'm sure you know, they're the ST-1 headlights, as they are, well, it is definitely the most commented thing in my comment section, wouldn't you agree? It's just upgrade your lights. Now, there's many options to do. Obviously, you've got places like Monkey Wrench, you've got loads of bespoke companies that do customizations with lights like this. They're very expensive. However, I'm sure as you've probably gathered by now, I'm not trying to build a Focus RS, I'm not trying to build a replica of any car, I'm trying to build a really smart ST-1. So it made complete sense to source upgraded ST-1 headlights. That's what we've got. So they do look very different. I will show you exactly why, but you're not going to see fully until we get them on the car later and turn the lights off. But for the time being, we're going to take the bulbs that are out of here, as they're that much better quality, provided by Autobeam. This is not a sponsored video, and we're going to get these bulbs into these new ones. Now, if I go ahead and show you, so the differences that I'm going to point out that we've got, number one is it's blacked out. That makes a big difference. Where they had the projectors before, we've now got LED ring lights over the top, which makes a huge difference too. And we also have white and orange. They're called two-color sequentials. So we've got two-color sequentials that go from here across and then up here. They do look really smart. Again, you're not going to see a big difference until we get them plugged into the car. So, getting the bulbs that are already here, we've taken some of them out and replaced them with the ones that are in here, and then taking the good quality clips that are still in my original headlights and put them in here, as the clips that were in the old ones were just a little bit perished. So me and Alan are going to go do that now, and then we should be able to put them on the car. I think it'll make a massive difference.
Yeah, without a doubt. Yeah.
So, that's the new one.
Right.
For the right hand side. This is the old one. So, okay, so obviously we've got the old one and the new one. These are heat resistant as well, but more importantly, the orange wrap, I suppose, that goes around the lens itself with heat can crack, as it has done here. I don't know if you guys can see, it looks a bit like a leopard.
So just get some bounce as well.
Take that out. I mean, to be honest, we can just replace...
Yeah, just use the whole holder.
Yeah, we may as well. Compared, so if I put them both in my hand actually, make it a little bit easier for both of you to see. So, Autobeam and the standard one, so we're putting the Autobeam from my original light into the new one. Okay, right, so again, just plug and play, like so. And now I think the only one we've got to do then is trade out this slightly bigger one. Down the line I will be getting upgraded bulbs. I'm hoping that Autobeam would like to do that. Right, this is the next one in. Oh, that's why. Look.
Is it still there? Is
No,
it?
because the broken one was underneath it.
Jeez.
One, two, three. Right, so now that little screw can obviously take the place of the one that was there before.
True.
Right, that's one done. So guys, we're going to put the standard one in on this side. We're going to put the new one in on this side so you guys have an accurate representation of exactly what they look like. So bear with me 2 secs, I'll get the bonnet open, screw them in with Matt's help, and we'll go from there. Bosh. So it's a really easy job to do. Just make sure you plug it in, because I didn't do that yesterday. Now Alan's hunting in the box because I've got some resistors in here. They're here.
Oh no.
They should get rid of the airbag light. No?
They will, but it's what pins to put them in.
I don't know.
Yeah, well I don't know either, because we've got several pins. It's a multi-block, and I guess to convince it that it's an airbag, you put that where it is, but I guess we have to get some guidance.
Yeah, guys, so if you want to let us know for another video, maybe you can jump in the old comments. And help out. The red and the yellow one here weren't connected properly, so we've had to splice them ourselves, as these, I think they're called Scotch clips, were rubbish. So anyway, we're trying to redo that so it works properly. We still need to fix the wire that goes into the dip beam. To be honest, a bit of a shame that it's turned up like this, but it's not without our ability to fix it, so we're going to get that done. Get it back on the Focus, then we can see how it looks.
Okay, so I'm going to
the rescue as always.
I'll just take it back apart, stick some heat shrink. Then I'm going to put the heat shrink on that wire, just so it's out of the way, and I'll pull it back up again once we've soldered it.
Just so we can show them how sick those lights look, can we just reverse the car in a little bit, maybe switch the lights off just for 30 seconds,
you can do, yeah.
and just show them how good it is. And you are a wizard, you have successfully wired the car. We have both sequentials now working. What an effort. So what we're going to do, we're going to reverse the car in there, switch the lights off temporarily, and show you just how different these are compared to the originals. Alan, let's get them screwed in, let's get them properly sealed, and we'll go from there. Matt is behind the camera.
As opposed to the women's toilets.
Right, go on, you're not on the camera, but what do you think? Now you can see them working.
Sexy as fuck.
Much better.
It looks good.
Right. Thank you. And you.
Yeah.
Matt's just this like invisible man behind the camera. He's actually worried that my cheap lens will be broken by his handsomeness. I think that's the issue. Let's get the multimeter off, let's get them screwed in, and then we can look at reversing the car into there. Now, to anyone else that's dealt with this issue, I've had a massive problem with my AC at the moment. So every time I turn my ignition on, anytime I put the blowers on in general, it makes crazy noise, which basically means my compressor's dead, and I can't have, well, at the moment I don't have the money to replace it. And I can't be honest, I'm going to Poland tomorrow, I've got better things to do. So we've gone inside the fuse box and we found out that R27 is the 10 amp fuse, which we're going to take out now. Just thought I'd give you guys a bit of context as to what's going on before we show you the lights. I know you can see them, they do look awesome, but it's the sequentials that look fire. So if you guys hold your horses, we're going to get this fuse out. And we have got some resistors to play with, but I don't think we're going to get that done in today's video. But we'll get those out now. I'll bring you a little bit closer, show you what's going on. Pop that one up there. Pretty sure it's that one right here.
There, yeah. So, where are we? Yeah, so AC, there's that lower one there, yeah, 10 amp fuse. Here we go.
The problem is simply when turning the car on, it's very annoying. Guys, problem, crisis averted. I think it's about time we show you guys the lights. Let's get this off. So now to show you the lights, what we're going to do, ignition, 1, 2, switch off the blowers, and then just put these clips back in basically. This is maybe easy, maybe not.
Haynes manual, right?
Yeah guys, get yourself a Haynes manual, look. So it's just a standard Mark II Focus.
Say a lot.
That's just, what is that noise? If you guys can hear that, let me know in the comment section what you think that might be. But yeah, get the Haynes manual. I'm going to switch the lights off, see how much you can see. Just make sure it's all angled properly. That's the best. I don't know if the door is good out, I think so. Right guys, doors are down, let's turn the halos on. Not even halo. Should look good compared to before. I don't know how well we can see it on there. Yeah, no surprise that the lens is being a pain. It's quite hard to see, I mean to the same effect that I'm seeing right here. Yeah guys, so that's how we have it. MK2 Focus ST with the standard ST-1 lights. They've simply been customized. I'll stick all the details of the gentleman below. But yeah, this is how they look. I'm just hoping that you guys can see it on the screen. So obviously we've got Autobeam all the way around. Wait, let's get the fog lights on, because these are badass, because they're green. Now the green ones are coming through as well. I've basically halted their job just for 2 seconds, just while we do this. This is it now, it's all sorted. Now regarding the lights in the interior as well, they all light up as well. As you can see, looking sick. Autobeam brake lights, Autobeam number plate lights. Also got the Autobeam reverse lights as well, but obviously we're not in reverse right now. But yeah, I'm happy with this, even though it took some serious effort. Blue in there, blue side panels. You won't be able to see it, I've got a little blue ignition thing in there as well. Courtesy of Stacey and Kevin Gobbold on Instagram. Still need to do Autobeam ones of these, but I've got loads of carbon fibre going in, so I'm going to wait and hold up for that a sec. Now what you can see, the lens needs a little bit of love, but I'm going to sort that very soon. Anyway guys, I'm going to stop being selfish, I'm going to get these lights back up. I'll get these lights turned on over here, and then try and get this sorted. Right, the guy that you can see his feet just here, I'm not going to show him on camera, but he's gone all the way from Wales to come and see this. Well, come and get his car done, which is up there. We may as well check it on the channel. He's got this beast. He's basically, the issues that he's had, he changed his exhaust and then he bought a plug and play tune. And the tune didn't go too well with the system that he had, so he's putting it back to standard. Are you going to keep the tune? Or look at getting it mapped somewhere else?
Keep it at stage 1 now and then.
Keep it stage 1 until you've done your 1-year warranty, and then he's going to go bevo tuning on its ass and see what happens. But yeah, he's got a 68 plate VRS. I've heard they're a lot of fun. Pretty much, I bet everyone thinks he's just got a cop car, probably an undercover policeman. Yeah, but no guys, that's it now. We've got the car done. We're all set. George is happy. Switch these fog lights off. Switch them off. And the hazard lights. And yeah, you will be able to see now that they are now blacked out. So, if you guys have enjoyed watching today's video, as always, give me a thumbs up. Let us know what you think of the lights in the comment section below. Big up to the guy that actually made them. Big ups to Alan, who's in there, and Matt, who doesn't want to be seen on camera. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time. GC and the PT, roll the outro.